Looking for an alternative for Kofax Capture? Look no further. Let me introduce you to Klippa DocHorizon. Whether you're processing invoices, contracts, or receipts, Klippa brings you fast deployment, modern AI, and effortless scalability, without the complexity of traditional capture systems. Let me show you how it works and why it's becoming the go-to choice for forward-thinking teams. Klippa DocHorizon uses pre-trained self-learning models that adapt automatically to new formats. No manual templates, no constant rule changes, just upload and go. The dashboard is clean, intuitive, and works for both business users and developers. You get powerful features with almost zero learning curve. Klippa runs completely in the cloud. That means instant scalability, secure anywhere access, and zero server maintenance to worry about. Updates? They're automatic, so you're always on the latest version without downtime. With ready-to-use AI models and API-first integration, you can have workflows up and running within days, not the weeks or months some systems take. Usage-based pricing keeps costs transparent. Scale up or down as needed, no hidden module fees. From structured tables to semi-structured forms and unstructured text, Klippa handles them all out of the box, even adding brand new formats in minutes using Prompt Builder. So if you're searching for an alternative for Kofax Capture that's ready for the future, Klippa DocHorizon delivers scalable, cloud-native AI without the headaches of heavy infrastructure or slow onboarding. Click the link in the description below to book your free demo today. Like this video if it was helpful, and subscribe for more practical AI workflow tips.